I'd like to welcome you to another Kali Tutors tutorial session. In this tutorial session, we'll be focusing on EUP1501 assignment number 7. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to get access to the latest public videos the moment that we upload them. If you'd like to contact us, please use the number provided on your screen. Okay, so without wasting your time, let us look at what assignment 7 is all about. Okay, so it is basically a quiz, but before you can do this quiz, you need to download this file, because some of the questions here come from this or you'll need this file to actually answer them. Okay, so to actually download this file, you simply have to click on this. So after clicking on that, you'll see it will download the file, and you can simply click on it here. Okay, or click on open file location. Okay, it will take you. So once you open your file, you'll get the option to enable editing. So simply click on enable editing. Okay, so after you've opened this file, you are now ready to begin with the assessment. Okay, so what you need to do is to go back to my UNISA and then click on attempt quiz. You must remember that you'll be allowed to or try this assessment at least 3 or at most 3 times. Okay, so once you click on attempt quiz, your assessment begins, and you'll have 1 hour 30 minutes to actually do the assessment. Okay, so let us not waste time and simply click on attempt quiz and then click on start attempt. You'll notice that once the questions load, your timer starts to count down. Okay, so my objective in this tutorial session is to actually teach you how to use Excel. Okay, if you do everything that I would have done here, you'll be guaranteed to get 100%. Okay, but before we start this exercise, I need to tell you that UNISA made I think 2 mistakes in this assignment. Okay, for example, if you look at question 3, answer number C and D are actually identical. Okay, and it's actually the correct answer, 1.38. But if you choose only one of these is correct. Okay, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Even the answer for this one, if you choose the correct answer, you'll be marked incorrect. So, but I'll show you what to do, and then I'll tell you which one is correct, but which one you must select in order to get 100%. Okay, let me show you again the Excel spreadsheet that we'll be working on. This is the one that we downloaded earlier. Okay, so the questions that they are going to ask in this in the first part of this assignment is actually related to this document. Okay, so let's go back to our questions. Okay, so they say, based on the given spreadsheet, if the price per unit of oranges is reduced to 0.80, what will be the new total cost of purchasing 40 units of oranges? Okay, so this simply means you need to go back to your Excel spreadsheet, look for oranges, and then change the per unit price to 0.80. Okay, so let's go back to our working document. Go to your Excel spreadsheet, and then you're looking for oranges. So we'll be focusing on this row. Okay, I'm just highlighting the row by simply clicking on the number 4, because this is the 4th row. They said if the price per unit is reduced to, not by, is reduced to, okay, 0, just type it, 0.80, what will be the new price? Okay, so the new total is 32 rands. Okay, go back to your assignment. Okay, so you see this is your 32, but if you select 32, you'll be marked incorrect. So instead of selecting 32, if you want to get 100%, just select 36. Okay, but that is not the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is 32. Okay, so that's basically it for question number 1. You can watch the next video to see how to do question number 2.